Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Have you ever wondered what the ultimate action camera of the future will look like? The wait is almost over because the action camera world is on the edge of a massive revolution. Today, we are diving deep into the most exciting rumors and leaks about the highly anticipated Insta360 Ace Pro 3. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 was originally expected to hit the market in late 2025. Many fans were eagerly waiting for a holiday release. However, things have changed dramatically. Extensive industry leaks and market trends now point to a launch in the first half of 2026. Most experts are predicting a release window somewhere between the second and third quarter of 2026. You might be wondering why there is a delay. The answer is actually very simple. Insta360 wants to ensure their new hardware is absolutely perfect. They want it to significantly outperform aggressive rivals like the DJI Osmo Action 6. They are taking their time to refine the technology. They want to blow our minds with a camera that redefines action filmmaking entirely. This extra time in the research lab means we are getting a much more powerful and stable device. It shows that they are not just rushing a product to market. They are crafting a masterpiece. Let us talk about the price. True innovation does not come cheap. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to be a premium flagship device. Leaks suggest it will be priced somewhere between $549 and $599. This is a very noticeable jump from the $399 launch price of the Ace Pro 2. Some people might find this price increase a bit shocking at first, but when you hear about all the upgraded specs, you will understand exactly why the price is going up. This camera is built for creators who want the absolute best quality available. It is stepping out of the standard budget category. It is moving firmly into the premium professional space. The high-end features easily justify the cost for serious filmmakers and dedicated vloggers. It is an investment in your content quality. One of the most exciting rumors involves a massive sensor upgrade. Leaked details suggest the Ace Pro 3 will be a true cinema-grade tool. It is not just a minor hardware refresh. We are expecting a massive 1-inch, 50-megapixel CMOS sensor. This sensor is once again co-engineered with the legendary camera brand Leica. Leica is famous worldwide for its superior optics and color science. This incredible partnership means the camera will deliver unmatched low-light performance. It will capture incredible detail even in dark and moody environments. A larger sensor naturally takes in much more light. It also gives you a beautiful and natural depth of field. It makes your action footage look like it was shot on a heavy, expensive professional cinema camera. This single feature alone makes the upgrade totally worth it for many users. The video quality is getting a massive bump too. The Ace Pro 3 is heavily rumored to support stunning 8K recording at 30 frames per second. Some wild rumors even suggest it might push the limits to 60 frames per second in 8K. That is absolute madness for a tiny action camera. It will also shoot crisp 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second. This will give you incredibly smooth slow-motion footage for those epic action moments. And it gets even better. The camera will fully support 10-bit color depth. This means it can capture over 1 billion distinct colors. Your videos will have much richer colors and incredibly smooth gradients. Color grading your footage in post-production will be an absolute dream. You will have so much flexibility to create the exact look you want. Processing power is another vital area where Insta360 is pushing the boundaries. The Ace Pro 3 will reportedly feature a brand new triple AI chip architecture. This is a huge step up from the dual AI chips found in previous models. The triple AI chip will handle highly advanced noise reduction. It will clean up grainy low-light footage in real time. It will also power real-time video enhancements as you shoot. Your footage will look absolutely perfect straight out of the camera. No heavy editing required. The extra AI processing power will also enable much smarter gesture controls. You will be able to control the camera with simple hand movements from a distance. It will recognize your gestures faster and more accurately than ever before. This makes solo vlogging and filming yourself so much easier and more intuitive. Action cameras absolutely need great stabilization. The Ace Pro 3 will certainly not disappoint in this area. It will feature an upgraded Flow State 2.0 stabilization system. This new advanced system uses predictive AI to better counter motion blur and lens distortion. The camera will literally predict your physical movements to keep the horizon perfectly level at all times. Your footage will remain buttery smooth no matter how rough or bumpy the terrain gets. Whether you are fast mountain biking down a rocky trail, surfing big waves, or just running around a city, the video will look like it was shot on a professional mechanical gimbal. This predictive AI stabilization is a massive leap forward for electronic image stabilization technology. But wait, there is even more exciting news coming from Insta360. A major patent leak discovered in January 2026 revealed something entirely new and unexpected. Insta360 is also actively working on a modular pocket gimbal camera. The company's CEO recently confirmed this secret project, officially calling it Luna. This brand new device is designed to compete directly with the hugely popular DJI Pocket series. The patent shows a brilliant and versatile snap-together design. It features a detachable lens module that can actually be used wirelessly. You can attach it to a handle with a built-in screen for stabilized shots. Or you can use the small camera core entirely independently like a tiny action cam. It even features high-end Leica lenses on the modular core. This modular approach is incredibly innovative and gives creators ultimate flexibility. Many industry experts speculate that the development of this Luna modular gimbal could strongly influence the Ace Pro 3. The advanced technology shared between these two upcoming devices could be very significant. Both cameras are expected to feature large, 1-inch sensors and advanced AI processing chips. The busy release schedule of the modular gimbal might also help explain the delayed launch of the Ace Pro 3. Insta360 is clearly building an entire integrated ecosystem of premium cameras. They are aggressively targeting vloggers and professional content creators from every possible angle. If the modular Luna camera drops in early 2026, the Ace Pro 3 will likely follow shortly after to complete their high-end lineup. They want to dominate the entire portable camera market this year.